Today we will start Chemistry Chapter 6 Air. Now we are starting from the question answer sections. It is E. Give reasons for the following. Number 1. Lime water turns milky when air is passed through it. Lime water turns milky when air is passed through it because it absorbs carbon dioxide. Frog dies in a bale jar when kept for long time. Frog dies in a bale jar when kept for long time because due to lack of oxygen it cannot respire. Number 3. Air pollution is rapidly increasing. Air pollution is rapidly increasing because of the larger population and increasing use of cars and other transportation. Number 4. Air can be compressed. Air is made up of a mixture of gases. Air can be compressed because it helps the molecules to come closer and to decrease its volume. Number 5. Percentage of water vapor is variable. The percentage of water vapor varies from time to time and from place to place. So, its percentage is variable. Number B, this is number F, differentiate the following. This according to your books, this number F, differentiate the following. Breathing and respiration. Breathing. It is the inhaling and exhaling of air. Respiration. It is intake of oxygen to oxidize the food. Second point on the breathing. It is a physical process. Respiration. It is a chemical process. Number C. Under breathing. No heat energy is released during this process, and under respiration, it is accompanied by the release of heat energy. Number D. No enzymes are required for breathing, and for respiration, each breakdown step in respiration is due to a particular enzyme. Number 2. Rusting and corrosion. Rusting is oxidation of iron in presence of air and moisture. Corrosion is the process of deterioration of metals and non-metals by oxidation. Second point of rusting, it requires air and moisture. Corrosion, it requires exposure of air or chemicals on surface. Number C, rusting forms rust which is red-orange in color. Corrosion, the compound found by corrosion can have different colors such as blue, green, etc. Next, number G, answered the following questions. Number 1, how will you show the presence of carbon dioxide in air? At first, we will take a test tube and fill it with lime water. Blow in air through the test tube. We will see that lime water turns milky. This proves that carbon dioxide is present which turns lime water milky. Number 2, enlist physical properties of air. Physical properties of air are: air occupies space, air has weight, air exerts pressure, and air can be compressed. Number 3. The process of combining of oxygen with carbon compounds releasing energy is known as combustion. Define combustion. Combustion is the process of burning an organic compound in oxygen to produce energy, carbon dioxide and water vapor. It takes place at higher temperature outside the body. Number 4. How will you prove experimentally that air is necessary for the combustion of fuels? At first, we will take a candle and fix it on a table. The candle is lighted and will continue to burn due to availability of air which is required for combustion. Now, cover the burning candle by putting an inverted gas jar over it. After a short time, the candle stops burning and gets extinguished. When the burning candle is covered with gas jar, then the candle takes away the oxygen necessary for burning, from the air enclosed in the gas jar and gets extinguished when all the oxygen of air is used up. This proves that air is necessary for combustion of substances. Number 5. Define respiration. Briefly describe how respiration takes place in humans. Respiration is the process of absorption of oxygen into the blood for oxidation of food to release heat energy, carbon dioxide and water. Respiration takes place at body temperature inside the body. In humans, respiration takes place through the lungs. The air inhaled moves down the trachea into the lungs, where oxygen is exchanged from carbon dioxide from the body tissues. Carbon dioxide is then exhaled out of the lungs through the mouth. Number 6. Animals consume a large amount of oxygen, but still the percentage of oxygen remains constant. Explain why is it so? The percentage of oxygen in the air does not change because the oxygen used in respiration and combustion is replaced by the oxygen generated by plants during photosynthesis. Thus, the balance of oxygen in the air is maintained. Number 7. Give 3 causes and 3 remedial measures for air pollution. 3 causes for air pollution are burning of fuels which release harmful gases during burning, increase in the number of factories and industries, cutting down of trees. 3 remedial measures for air pollution are: plant more trees because trees reduce the amount of carbon dioxide. Use of clean fuels can save pollution. Reduce the use of aerosols and try to prevent smoking. Number 8. How will you show that air is necessary for respiration? To show that air is necessary, we will take a plant and cover it with a bale jar. The plant will remain as such only for few days. After few days, the oxygen present in bale jar will be used up. Hence, the plant will shrivel due to lack of oxygen. This proves that air is necessary for respiration. So here students, we are finishing our question answers portion. Now we have one more question that in your book it is given that please help Sanjam to complete the following. Oxygen, respiration. Carbon dioxide, it will be photosynthesis. Inhaled air, oxygen. Exhaled air, carbon dioxide. Combustion, carbon dioxide. Photosynthesis, oxygen. Oxygen 1/5, nitrogen 4/5. Helium, weather forecasting balloons. Neon, advertising glow tubes. So we have finished chapter 6 here. Thank you.